Now, Rudy, now! Dandelion squealed, nudging her cousin awake. Rudy popped up immediately and slammed the flashlight on. They both stared down at the back porch. Aha! Dandelion cried, bursting into giggles. I knew it! Wowee! Rudy yelled, almost dropping the flashlight. Later that evening, Dandelion and Rudy bragged that they'd seen the culprit red-handed, but they would not say more. Give us a clue who it was, Doodlebug pleaded. Finally, Dandelion offered a tidbit. It looked like the thief was wearing a mask. Then I bet you don't know who it is, Doodlebug grumbled. Do so, Rudy insisted. We'll prove it, too. He leaned toward Dandelion's ear and said softly, Let's make, he whispered the rest. Dandelion grinned wide. Then she nodded at Doodlebug. Okay, tomorrow at breakfast you'll get your clue. In the morning, Doodlebug checked his suitcases again. Both were open. He was sure some trinkets were missing. He stomped into the kitchen and greeted his family with a big, fat scowl. Strangely, they were all holding newspapers in front of their faces. Okay, 1, Dandelion counted out loud. 2, 3, shouted Rudy, and everyone lowered the papers. Yow! Doodlebug blurted, almost jumping out of his socks. Okay, I get it now, he said, laughing. He knew he was forgiven for accusing Dandelion and Rudy when she handed him his very own raccoon mask. That night there was a bandit showdown. The 2 small raccoons were just diving into Doodlebug's suitcases when 3 much larger raccoons stepped from the shadows. The children snorted and waved their arms. One of them giggled. Startled, the furry little thieves froze, then skittered off into the night, never to be seen again.